Hello to all my friends out there. So I finally got home. And so I sell watches, but I know some of you want to try to learn the collectibles business and the swap meet and eBay. So you might be going, well, what are these watches? Well, what these watches really are very similar to Misha watches. No, Michelle watches. Misha's my son's girlfriend. Michelle watches. Okay, Michelle watches are sold at like Nordstrom's, and they're very similar to this watch. So this is a knockoff. It's a fashion watch, but it's very similar to a Michelle watch. So I keep my eye out for those. And this is another watch, and it's very, very similar to, not exactly, but it's similar to a Michelle watch. So if I can find these, one day I blew into a thrift store and I found one of these, two of these, just under $2. Misha has the other one. It had a round dial, and they're really pretty on. And you know, if I needed money really bad, I can sell them. Okay, but what this video is about is the car meals, and the car meals are really important. This is a little redundant, but sometimes you can't control the feed. And, you know, probably my car eating videos are going to be lost, and I hope they are because I look extremely ugly. Okay, this is my bottled water, and I put a package of iced tea mix in it, and I made it in my car. And then after, I think I dumpster dived them in the first place. And then, you know, I was looking around and I found they have those drinks sugar-free. So if the power went out or something, you know, it'd be better than nothing. Okay, so now, so I've been thinking about, okay, you've got to evacuate for your life. You've got to live in your car. The power goes out. The best thing is car food. So I ate one of these spaghetti and meatballs. I ate Chef Boyardee out of the can, and it wasn't bad. This is Aldi's. It was a little cheaper at Aldi's, 75 cents. And then, and so the idea is to get 7 of these emergency meals per week, and then, you know, pretty soon you're going to be all stocked up. And then Aldi's has really cheap soup. So I bought these 2 soups because they have vegetables in them. But these are kind of lightweight, like the chicken noodle soup I ate in my car. So I bought for 42 cents these Vienna sausage that could be eaten. So you have 3 meals there. Another thing is these meals are very filling. When I eat one of these in my car, I don't have to eat again. So I bought another chicken noodle to replace the chicken noodle that I already had. So I bought 4. These were cheap, like $1.50 and 75, $2.25. That's enough. Well, and if you count these, $3.75, enough food for 3 days, because those are really 2 servings. Then I went to Dollar Tree. And these are really nice. These were only $1, but the thing about these are the expiration is 2022. And since these are going to serve me well as Stockpile, and this one too, 2022. And then I bought this. This could be, all these foods could be eaten cold if needs be. If we had like a prolonged power shortage. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I found these things. This is like if you were eating in your car. These are some kind of dippers. Life doesn't have to be so serious, you guys. And then I bought at Aldi's some of these peanut butter and crackers. So say if I was going to eat the chicken and noodles, I could eat peanut butter and crackers or Vienna sausage. Then Aldi's had these kind of crackers. So if you were eating in the car, that would be good because you wouldn't mess your car up so bad. Okay, and then the other thing that I stockpile that could be eaten in a car or in a power shortage is I bought chips. They had these at Aldi's marked down for $1.04. I bought these at Dollar Tree because tonight I'm going to make some pork verde because I think it was last week I had pork chops I got. And then I bought these at $1. So my chips were $1 a bag. You know, when you start doing stuff yourself, you see other people doing stuff and you realize what is going on. I saw a lady in McDonald's look like she was eating a $1 sandwich and she had a little pile of chips. You know, if you don't have much money, you know, you could buy another hamburger tomorrow for the same price that your fries would cost you. So you'd be, you know, conserving your money. And, you know, by eating in my car, I'm pretty much done with the car videos because, you know, I don't like grease in my car. And I got a pretty good idea from eating in my car. 3 times is enough. But for your food, you know, your stockpile food, and you know, this is funny, I watch a lot of car videos, people living in their cars, and little mention was made of food. You know, if you are you know, really broke, and you can do this like a spaghetti and some crackers. Ew, there's some nasty hair on my things. Anyway, and you can do this like once or twice a week. You know, this is good. You can buy some hot dog buns and some cheese and have chili cheese dogs. That would be really good. You can eat some pork and beans with Vienna sausage. That would be really good too. Or if you have some eggs, you can make some hash brown and eggs. You can heat these and then just crack your eggs on top and make some toast. And for this beef stew, you can make some homemade biscuits, which I have done many times, and you can have some biscuits and some beef stew. So these soups could be used for a night of sandwiches and soup to conserve money. And also, instead of just stockpiling up your food, eat it down now and then, you know, and save money and then buy new stuff. So this is stockpile food for a week. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.